gallons of gas drink?
5.
10.
So you give your body, your car, the fuel it needs to get you from point A to point B. I don't need the fuel it needs to get from point A to point D. I need what I need here. So if I need 2 gallons of fuel to train shoulders, how many gallons of fuel do I need?
2 gallons of fuel.
Do I need 2 gallons of fuel to train legs that need 10 gallons to get from point A to point B? No, I need 10 gallons. Got it? Follow what I'm saying. You need to understand that what you're doing and how hard you're doing, how active you are is directly correlated to what your nutrients are. So the nutrition program, when you get to an advanced level or you get to a level where you understand, can look like this throughout the week. Do you know why that's good? I told you. You know why that's good? I call it a rotation diet. You call it whatever you want, delayed, whatever you want. Because my metabolism doesn't do what?
Level off.
Flatline. Because the longer you train, the longer you're on a good nutrition program, the more fit you are, the more adaptive your body is at getting used to it. So in other words, your body will adapt quicker to what you're doing as you become more and more efficient, which means you need more change more often. Keep the body off balance. Okay? Okay? So as intensity goes up, nutrients change, everything changes. But where was that before that? I was talking to you about what? I drew a blank.
Sorry?
I drew a blank. I was talking to you about what? What was I talking about?
We were talking earlier about the car.
Oh, no. Okay, what I'm saying is, when you're training at a high intensity level, you need to give your body what it needs for that intensity. And this is not intensity, it's not about time. Okay? It's not about how long do I train, it's about how efficiently do I train. In other words, nobody ran away. Some people hid behind other people, but nobody ran away. So what Joe and I want you to understand is we love you guys for believing in us, and we hope you guys learned a lot from this, and that that you continue to learn, and we're going to continue to be there for you at all times. Okay? The practice is going to be tough. Each one of you is going to get one exercise that you have to demonstrate. If you demonstrate it right, good. If you demonstrate it wrong, the bat outside is ready to go. We're throwing you in. Okay. You're going to start? Just stay right here. Show me a dumbbell lateral done properly and explain it to me.
Dumbbell lateral?
Yes, dumbbell.
Contract. Put the pressure on the thumb, contract, and go slowly down. And up. There. Go again.
Pressure on the thumb.
Pressure on the thumb. Here. So when you're up, the dumbbells needs to be in this position.
Just the opposite of what you're doing. Here you go.
Because when you put the pressure on the thumb, where it goes? Right here.
There you go.
Here.
A little more excited.
Okay, I'll show you. Go down. Contract. Control the weight. Go up. Go up. Go up.
Now
Put the
squeeze.
pressure here. And squeeze.
Level at the bottom. You feel the difference, Bench?
Yes.
Go ahead. There you go. Good. Good. You guys are getting it. That's good. Remember, those pressure points in the hands, angles of motion are very, very important. You're next. No, show me a parallel squat. You don't need weights. Parallel squat. Put your hands up in front of you.
Feet pointing forward. They should be shoulder width.
Okay.
And come down. We go parallel.
Okay.
And my knees don't go beyond my toes.
Right. Okay, go ahead.
Forward.
Pushing through your knees.
It's pretty damn good to me.
Did he say go parallel?
No, he said go below parallel.
Below parallel.
Go full range of motion. Okay? And why full range of motion on squat? Which everybody says no, because power lifters became involved in our sport.
You get straight on your knees.
Yeah. With
You're
them.
stopping it with the knees, rather than letting the muscle go through full range of motion. Okay? Good. Okay?
Your turn.
Show me a single arm, no, show me a, Joe, grab the bar.